Welcome to the channel, Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today, you're in the right place if you want to learn a great classic, how to play Everybody Hurts by REM guitar lesson. And that's coming up. This great classic, Everybody Hurts by REM, is one of my favorite songs. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you've been playing a while. If you want to learn this, I'm going to break it down step by step so you'll be able to play this song. So let's get started. Let me show you how it goes first. So the chords we're going to be using is D, G, A minor, A, B minor, bar chord, and G, bar chord, and then C, A minor, and that's it. So it starts out on D. Somewhere up here, I'm going to have all the chord diagrams so you know where to put your fingers. So on the D chord, we're going to play, I'm going to name the strings that you're going to want to pick in this order. So we got 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then it goes to the G chord. Do that twice. So when you're playing the G, we're going to pick the 6th string, three, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And it goes back to it. If you want the complete tab, check the link in the description, because over on my Patreon page, I've tabbed it out for you and makes it a lot easier. So if you remember this right here, D and G, and you learn the picking pattern, which I just gave you, sit and go back and forth and learn these two chords in the picking pattern. Then you just need to learn this part, which is E minor, and then we'll go to the A. So that's the second part we're going to learn. 3 on the E string, 2 on the E string, and then the E minor chord, you pick it twice, and the strings you're going to be picking in this order are 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, Then we're going to the A chord. And after you've placed your fingers to make the A chord, we're going to pick 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. So we got 3, 2, E minor. A. And then it stops and it goes back to the D and the G chord. So on that you go 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then mute the strings with your hand. Then it goes back to the D, then G, E minor, A, then it breaks into strumming. We'll play B minor, G, back to B minor, and then G. Don't throw your hand. C, feel like giving up. G, no, no, no. That's a C. You're not alone. A minor, and back to D. So it's no. B minor, G, B minor, G, C, G, C, 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 A minor, D, and then it's back to D. E minor, A, E minor, A, and then it's strumming all the way until it fades out. D, G, D, G, hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Be sure and watch the next video. Thanks.